Hello guys, welcome to DTW Math Plus. Welcome. Okay, today's video we're going to be looking at subtracting whole numbers, that's subtraction. Alright, we're still looking at number relations. Alright, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Math Plus is all about supporting you in your GED math test. Okay, we're here to support you in your maths. It might be long you've been out of school, but here we're here to support you right from the foundation, and we're taking you right up to your coordinates, geometry, and your algebra. Okay, so try to please subscribe to this channel to support us to grow, and share this channel with anyone around your neighborhood or your relation, your friends, your colleague trying to sit for their GED. All right, okay, please try to support them so they can pass their maths exams. All right, so today's video, it's on subtraction, and we're going to be doing some examples, and at the end of the video I'm also going to give you an assignment which please make sure you do and submit, and I will also mark it. Okay, please make sure you do it without your calculator also. All right, so let's look at this. Okay, let me draw this line. All right, so we're looking at this example first. We're told to subtract 1423 from 4174. Okay, so we write the bigger number first, 1474, then minus 1423. Okay, so this is in thousands, and also this is also in thousands. All right, so we draw the line. All right, so 4 minus 3, what will 4 minus 3 give us? When you minus 3 from 4, we are going to get what? A 1. When we minus 2 from 7, what are we going to get? We are going to get a 5. Now we come here. Can we take away 4 from 1? No, it's impossible, because 4 is greater than 1. Okay, it was possible here because 7 is greater than 2, so we could take away 2 from 7 and we have a remainder of 5. But here it's not possible since 4 is greater than 1. So to make this number a bigger number, we have to borrow 1 from 4 here. Okay, so when we borrow that 1, all right, and to here, that 1 represents what? 10. Okay, the 1 is equal to what? 10. So when we borrow 1 to 1 here, okay, it means 10 plus 1, which will give us what? 11. All right, so we have 11 here, so this will be what? 11 minus 4. And what is 11 minus 4? It is what? 7. All right, and remember, if we borrow 1 from 4, it means that 3 would what? Remain here. All right, it's just like taking 1 from something. Definitely you've subtracted 1 from the number, so 3 would remain here. So we have here 3 minus 1. And what is 3 minus 1? That will give us what? 2. So this is our answer, 2751. Okay, to check if our answer is right, all we need to do is we'll add 1423 to 2751, and it must give us what? 4173. Let's try that together. So we have here 1423 plus 2751. Okay, this is just to check that your answer is correct. Okay, so we have 3 plus 1 will give us what? A 4, and 2 plus 5 will give us what? A 7, and what is 4 plus 7? That will give us 11. So we have 1 here, carry what? 1. 1 plus this 1 will give us what? A 2, and 2 plus 2 will give us what? A 4. And if you've not seen an addition video, please check the channel. I uploaded it before the subtraction, so you know it follows a sequence. You must first learn addition before subtraction. After subtraction, you must learn first multiplication before you learn what? Division. Okay, all right, so we have here 4174, which is what? Correct. Okay, so this answer is correct. All right, let's try another one. 14,604 minus 7,655. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Let's write the biggest number first, 14,604, then minus what? We have 5 here, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you start writing your number from your what? Your right. Okay, all right, so because this falls in the thousands, and this falls in what? 10,000. Okay, this falls in your 1000s, and this falls in your what, 10,000s. All right, so we have here now, can we subtract can we subtract 5 from 4? No, we have to borrow a 1. Okay, can we borrow from this 0 here? No, we can't borrow because there's nothing here. But can we borrow from here? Yes, we can borrow. So what do? We borrow 1 from here. Remember, when you borrow 1 from a number, this will now be left with what, 5. Okay, so we borrow 1 from here to here, it becomes what, 10. All right, so now we can borrow a number from here to here. All right, and when we borrow 1 from this 10 here, we're left with here now, we're left with what, 9. I want to write this 9 somewhere. We're left with 9 here, and we'll take the 1 to here. And remember, when we're borrowing, that 1 is what, 10. Okay, so it means 10 plus what, 4, which should be what, 14. So what is 14 minus 5? 14 minus 5 is what, 9. Okay, what are we left with here? We are left with what, 9. So what is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is what, 4. Okay, we're left here with what, 5. Okay, and what is 5 minus 6? Can it go? It can't go because 6 is bigger than what, 5. So we need to borrow again. So borrowing 1 to this 5 here, we are going to have what, 15. And what is 15 minus 6? 15 minus 6 is what, 9. Okay, what are we left with here? We are left with what, 3, since we borrowed 1. Is that not it? Can we subtract 7 from 3? No, it is impossible. It means we have to borrow another 1. And we are going to take this 1 here to this 3. And we have what, 13. Okay, so what is 13 minus 7 will give us what? 6. Okay, do we have anything left here? No, because we borrowed 1 from this 1. Okay, and when we take away 1 from 1, we are left with what? 0. So we have here 0. So there's nothing to drop down here. So our answer is what? 6949. All right, so this is our answer. To check if this answer is correct, what do? We add these two numbers to see if it will give us what, 14,604. Can we add it together? Yes, we can. All right, so we say 7. I hope I'm not too fast. If I am, please feel free. Anywhere you're lost, let me know. Drop a comment and I'll explain to you, okay, in this video. So we have 7655 plus 6949. All right, let us add this together. What is 5 plus 9? That will give us what, 14. Okay, and carry 1. 1 plus 5 will give us what, 6. And 6 plus 4 will give us 10. So we have a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 6 will give us what, 7. And 7 plus 9 will give us what, 16. Okay, and carry what, 1. What is 1 plus 7? 1 plus 7 will give us what, 8. And 8 plus 6 will give us what, 14. So it means our answer is what, correct. Okay, all right, so let's do one more together. Let's say we're to subtract. Okay, subtract this. We have 4,642,600 minus 2,876,350. Okay, so this is the biggest number, so we write it down. We have 4,642,600, and we have, okay, since both of them are in millions, so it will be placed under each other. 3, then we have 6, 7, 8, then 2, our subtraction sign. All right, let's do this together. 0 minus 0 will give us what, a 0. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No, it is impossible. We have to borrow a 1. Borrowing 1 here to 0, it becomes what, 10. Remember, when we're borrowing a 1, it is a 10 we're borrowing. Okay, so 10 plus 0 is still what, 10. So what is 10 minus 5 will give us what, 5. What are we left with? Since we borrowed 1 from here, we're left with what, 5. What is 5 minus 3 will give us what, 2. All right, can 2 minus 6 is impossible because 6 is bigger than what, 2. So we need to borrow a 1. So when we borrow a 1 from 4, this becomes what, 12. And 12 minus 6 will give us what, a 6. Okay, because 6 plus 6 is what, 12. All right. Okay, so 12 minus 6 is 6. what are we left with here? We're left with what? 3. So 3 minus 7, can it go? No, it's impossible. We need to still borrow a 1. Okay, borrowing a 1 to this 3 here, we have what? 13. Okay, that's 10 plus 3, which is what? 13. 13 minus 7 will give us what? 6. Okay, and we borrowed a 1 already from 6, so we're left with what? 5. All right, in solving, it's always good you write all these little things on top of it. Okay, in solving, it's you remember quickly. All right, okay, just write these little numbers on top of it so you know that you don't miss it. Okay, because you might forget and you might just say, oh, 6 minus 8, oh, it can't go, then you borrow 1 here, 16, and you failed it already, forgetting that you've already borrowed a 1 from 6 before. Okay, so we're left with 5 here. Can we subtract 8 from 5? No, it's impossible. So we have to borrow a 1 from here. Borrowing 1 from here plus, that's a 10. 10 plus 5 will give us 15. And 15 minus 8, what would that give us? That would give us what? A 7. Okay? So what are we left with here? We're left with what? 3. Okay? And 3 minus 2 will give us what? 1. So this is our answer. Our answer is what? 1,766,250. Okay, and you can also test your answer adding this value to this value, and it will definitely give you what? 4 million. Should we do it together? Okay, let's do it together. Let's test our answer. Okay, let's do this together. All right, so we have here 2876350, and we have 052, and this is 6 here, this is another 6, then 7 and 1. So let's add this up to find out if we are right. So we have a 0 plus 0, we have a 0. Okay, 5 plus 5, we have 10. So we drop our 0, carry our 1. This 1 plus 3 will give us 4, and 4 plus 2 will give us what? 6. And here we have a 6 plus 6 will give us 12, so we have to drop a 2 and take a 1 up here. And 1 plus 7 is what? 8. And 8 plus 6 will give us what? 14. And we carry a 1 here. 1 plus 8 is what? A 9. And 9 plus 7 will give us what? 16. And we'll carry a 1 here. Okay, right? 16 and carry 1, and 1 plus 2 will give us what? 3, and 3 plus 1 will give us what? 4. Okay, and this is correct since this is the same as this, so our answer is what? Correct. Okay, I have assignment for you. Okay, your assignment, I'm going to drop the link to the assignment in the video description box, okay, of this video. Please try to do the assignment and submit back, and I would send you your score. All right, please don't forget to share this channel to your friends, family, and loved ones. Okay, and if you have any comments, feel free to ask your questions in this video, and don't forget to also subscribe, and see you in our next video. And also don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win in your forthcoming GED maths test. See you in our next video. Bye for now.